I want to welcome you to the introduction to the upcoming Grit for Life workshop. I am Nate Parks, founder of Grit for Life. Grit stands for Getting Ready in Training for Life, for those who are not familiar with us. And maybe this is your first time hearing anything about our workshops. And if it is, then I challenge you to jump on board, get ready for this workshop. I'm not going to explain everything about it right here. What this is an introduction to what our next workshop is going to be about. Every single one of our workshops have some theme that we take a look at to help you motivate your mind, build your body, and search your soul. And the very last workshop that we're going to be doing for the year 2020 is going to be legendary. Now, I'm not just saying that the workshop itself is going to be legendary. That is the subject that we are going to be taking a look at. What does it mean to be legendary? Can we work through the things that we are struggling with on a daily basis? Can we look at the past and learn from it? Can we look toward the future and project a positive atmosphere, a positive attitude, and a determination to become legendary? Can just anybody be legendary? What does it mean to be legendary? Is my definition of legendary the same as your definition of legendary? And if not, is that okay? We're going to be taking the first 4 weeks. We're going to be taking from November, I believe it's 2nd. It's going to be the first Monday in November. For 4 weeks, we're going to be taking a look at how you can take control of your life. How you can take control of the burdens of the past, and how you can take control of your destiny for the future, on how you can be legendary. So many times we have visions and dreams and aspirations, and then life comes at us and attacks us and hits us hard. Nobody knows that better than myself. Nobody knows that better than the leaders of Grit for Life. But also, if you've survived 2020, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. Life is relentless, but it takes a legendary person, man or woman, to step up to the plate, look into the storm and scream back, and then run full force at anything and everything that comes at him or her. Not giving up. Even at the moment where you feel as if you only have a little bit of breath in you, or maybe no breath at all. Your eyesight is getting narrower and closing in, and you feel like this is the end. It is only the end when we decide that we cannot and will not fight anymore. But it takes a person of legendary proportions to face the odds, to look at everybody who has said, you can't do it. You're not able to achieve it. You just were born with bad luck. Man, all these dreams you used to have or you try to have right now, they're just too big. You can't have all of that. It takes a legendary person to stand up and to brush it off and say, that's what you think, because I can. Oh, I will. And I want you to watch me. Watch me become legendary. So for the 4 weeks that we're going to be taking a look at, starting the first week of November, I want you to join this workshop and finish out the year 2020 strong and learning how to be legendary and how to take control of your destiny. Fulfill the very purpose that you were put on this earth for. Your response is your responsibility. Now, go grit it and join the legendary workshop.